Good morning. My name is Bob Gersh with iReverse Home Loans. I'm a reverse mortgage specialist, and today I'd like to just discuss briefly the issues regarding foreclosures, not making your mortgage payments, making your mortgage payments and find yourself, your cash flow is slowly but certainly going down. You're draining your final reserves. I'd like to talk to you about what your options are. Now, there are many options, but probably the one option which you can say with certainty is to do nothing is a recipe for ultimately disaster. To be very honest with you, if you run out of money and can't make those mortgage payments, the inevitable will happen as far as a foreclosure. It's tough words to say, but when I look in the Sunday newspaper and look in the business section, the back page, it's the auction page. I look at those addresses and I look at the information there, and we see a lot of people who are 62 and older, own their homes, but have run into financial difficulty for one reason or another. And not that we can help everybody, but there are certainly some people out there which hopefully we can help. I would like to express my deepest, sincerest wish that everybody who's in this financial problem, and part of it's the economy, part of it is not having jobs these days, or being able to find jobs, and or just, circumstance. Everybody should seek out some help, professional and otherwise, family members, other professionals. I ask that you don't wait until the last minute, that no matter what your situation is, you should seek out help and try to come up with some kind of resolution. And in some cases, there are, just randomly talking about some of these solutions, some people end up working with realtors on a short sale. Other situations, we find that we can be able to refinance the property, pay off the existing debts, and have you in a position where then you don't have to make a monthly payment, and that works. Other situations, it makes sense to forestall a foreclosure and to just sell the property. But in a lot of cases, you can stay in your home. We've dealt with a number of them, and be able to pay off that mortgage. You still have to be able to make your payments for taxes and homeowner insurance, and maintain your property in a healthy and condition that's safe for you to live in. But within that constraint, we worked with a lot of people and saved their house basically. Would love to be able to help where we can. The best thing to do is reach out to us at any time that you need to or can. Number is 781-202-7475, extension 700. Again, my name is Bob Gersh with iReverse Home Loans at 781-202-7475, extension 700. And let's just talk about what your situation is, and what are some of the options. We can recommend other professionals if you don't already have them to assist you where it's appropriate. And a reverse mortgage is not for everybody, but in the right circumstances, we've been able to have people that want to stay in their homes and stay in their homes in a safe manner. But financially, it's a case if they don't have that mortgage payment, that makes all the difference in the world. And cases where they haven't made those payments and the bank is knocking on your door looking for those payments, we're able to satisfy all parties. So again, it's not for everybody, but I just hate to see those auction ads in there and people losing their homes when, in a lot of cases, there are solutions. So we're here to help, we're here to listen. Let's at least have that discussion and see if it makes sense to move forward in one way or another. There's no cost or obligation on your part to make that phone call, send us that email, start the conversation, and hopefully we can be of some assistance in a number of cases. Thank you, and have a good day and a good week, and coming up to a good weekend.